not to simply read a physics textbook, but to really go out there, go out into the bee fields, go out into nature, into the bee fields, and observe them for yourself. In these areas, in these regions, the magnetic field is so much stronger. Magnetism takes on a whole nother meaning. I mean, people are kind of deterred. They don't want to, they're kind of shunned away. They're afraid to go. All because you can't just go there in your physical body. I mean, you have to go there in your astral form because the bee fields are in another dimension. But don't let that be a deterrent. It's because they don't allow us to go there in our physical form because they're intimidated by us in some ways, even though they're a lot bigger, stronger, more powerful, more knowledgeable than we are. They know that if we come there in our physical form with our guns, they know what we're going to do. They know they understand human behavior. So you just have to get over yourself and this sketch is not considered correct in physics. You are not supposed to draw an arrow from a south to a north because arrows only leave north and enter south. But I do not care because these are my notes. It makes sense intuitively because a magnetic field is defined as a moving charge. And so if I have a charge moving into the page and I use my right hand rule, because the magnets are all going to align this way, and if I model the magnet as like a circulating charge, all I'm trying to say is all the currents are going in the same direction. So that's interesting, They're all aligning into the page. It's stuff like this that you find in the bee fields. It's not easy to understand. I think Faraday roughly translates to far a day in the future when we're going to be able to understand what in the world he's talking about.